totally blown out. Looking at the camera. I don't know. Cut that part out. Hello, my beautiful blossoms, and welcome to my channel. My name is Mila, if you are new here. And here in Mila and Touch, we talk about makeup, entrepreneurship. We talk about creative things. We talk about Makeup and Makers Monday, where we discuss a really creative person and their life, and we draw inspiration from what they have gone through, and gives us hope to move on in our creative endeavors. I hope you're doing well. Today, I would like us to talk about I would like us to talk about creams, face creams that I have been using for a while now, and I found them to be incredible for my skin. Now, I used to have really oily skin, and then chemo happened and it became really dry, like desert dry. And then over time, it sort of went back to this weird combination. So I'm oily on the surface, but then underneath, it's kind of still really dry. It's hard to explain, but if you have the same thing, you know what I'm talking about. So I generally tend to use moisturizers that are oil-free because for some weird reason, oil-based moisturizers will clog my pores for some reason. Well, you know, they clog your pores. Also, a lot of times they don't sink in the right way into my skin. So I found a technique that works for me. I do use a few oils that I found are really good for my skin. They don't make me oily, they don't make me break out, and they don't just sit on top of my skin and, like, you know, make my makeup slide around. So I will be sharing that in a next video. I am going to have this like a 3-part series because I want to talk about just regular moisturizers, then I want to talk about serums that I have found work for me really well to like address the wrinkles and, you know, the things that happen to your skin as, you know, you're no longer 25. And I would like to talk about the oils, how I apply. I found a really cool technique. And today we're just going to hit on the regular moisturizers that I found work for me really, really well. Hopefully you will find this useful. So let us get into it. So first, that was a mouthful. I would like to talk about Bobbi Brown, one of my favorite creams. It is vitamin enriched face base. I'm sure you have probably heard about this product before. It is super light and absorbent, and I'm all about light creams on my skin. Heavier creams just don't really work for me. They, like I said, they just don't sink into my skin, maybe because it is just that oily topping. I have an oily topping on my skin, so it just doesn't sink in, but I still need the moisture because it's dry. My skin is also dry, like all the way under there. So this one is wonderful. It is light. I've used quite a lot of it. It smells really pleasant. It actually smells really good. It kind of like smells like lemon meringue pie, actually. I'm hungry. So that is one of the creams that I love. I also really enjoy using Glossier. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, because this one is priming moisturizer, and I don't know why they call it a primer because I myself don't particularly find it super sticky. To me, a primer before you put makeup on has to have some kind of like tack to it so that your foundation sticks to your skin. These two are advertised as primers, and I personally just think they're awesome moisturizers. The other thing I really love, and I have a ginormous tub of it, I actually used up most of the small version of this, and I got the big ginormous version, and I'm gonna list all of the prices down in the description box for you. And this is what the ginormous version looks like. Really pretty packaging. It's pretty heavy. It is also has SPF, I believe, in it, or maybe I'm completely daydreaming. Like I said, I'll list it down below. So it's called Moisture Surge, and it comes in this giant tub, which is just, I found more economical as far as price is concerned. And then what I do is I scoop out some of it and I put it in the smaller jar, and then I keep the big jar in the refrigerator. and it has a very like gel-like feel. It is oil-free, and I absolutely love using it. It has a weird smell though. It has like a crayon box smell. If you ever opened a new box of crayons, it has like that chemically smell, but it doesn't really bother me, and it works incredible. It goes right into my skin, makes it nice. Actually, this one is better as a primer because it has tack. So I would, would use this one as, oh my God, my hair and my ears are so red. Why? And so those three are excellent. The other moisturizer that I really enjoy is the Ultra Repair Cream. I get this, it's from First Aid Beauty. I get this on Amazon, and I think it's probably the most economical one. It is about $35 if I remember correctly. And it has a very unique, this is like my third tub, so I just received it from Amazon. I'm gonna open it for you right now. Maybe I'm gonna open it for you right now. I hope so. Oh, here we go. It has like this really whipped texture. It's very light on the skin. And again, it's oil free, and it's wonderful if you have really sensitive skin, maybe skin prone to rosacea. I use it in the summer, especially if I'm out in the sun. I love putting this on, and it smells, it doesn't really smell. It has a very mild, almost like medicinal smell, but very, very mild. But this cream is fantastic, and it's very, very hydrating. It is very soothing, so great cream. The other two creams I want to share with you today that I use are, this is a Retin-A anti-wrinkle cream, which I found to be incredible. I did buy both of these on as a recommendation from another YouTuber. Her name is, oh my gosh, I'm so bad with names. Her name is Dr. Dre. She is a dermatologist, and I watch her like all the time. Anyway, so she can sell me pretty much anything when it comes to skincare. She's very knowledgeable and like really explain things. So I highly recommend you go check out her channel if you want to find out more about what's best for, your particular skin. So this is by Avene. It is more expensive, and it is a Retin-A, and I put it around my eyes. So the Retin-A's, you're supposed to be really, really careful, and this is the one that she recommends that you can actually use around your eye area and like around your mouth, and it won't irritate your skin, and I put it on my neck as well. And then the other cream that is excellent is this Effaclar, I believe that's how you pronounce it, and it is an excellent cream. Retinoid, it looks like this. Comes in a little tube. You actually get quite a lot. I will link the prices, like I said, below. And this one is a little bit more irritating to the skin, so I put that like on my cheeks and my forehead and my chin, and I keep it out of my really sensitive eye areas. So these are my most favorite moisturizers. I have been using these. Let's build a little tower. I've been using these for about a year, if not more. So I definitely vouch for these 4 creams. They're excellent to have if you have, breakout prone skin, sensitive skin, or, you just don't like that oily feeling on your skin. These are really, very good. And then these two are my go-to for the wrinkle attack. Get the wrinkles. These are really, really good. And I have not had any irritation from these, and my skin is pretty sensitive, so I'm super happy with them. So I was hopefully informative for you guys. I hope you will enjoy, using or getting these creams. If you have any of these, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you have a particular cream that, that you love for your skin, I would love to hear what it is and what kind of skin you have. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Oh, and of course, let's not forget the sponsorship, and this video is sponsored by me. I have a business where we create beautiful silk accessories, scarves, eye masks, and even like face masks. We're expanding, we're growing, we're getting bigger. So if you want to check it out and support a small business, please check out mila-such.com. Oh, you know what? I really wanted to show you the new eye masks that we just received, but maybe that's a whole separate video. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make that into a whole separate video. So anyway, I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you found this helpful, and I am going to stop babbling and wish you a wonderful, wonderful day, morning, evening, or night. Bye.